Hey, howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. I have another new product from iMethod Beauty. They sent me this Power On Plumping Lip Gloss, and this time I actually got to choose the shade. This is Cherry. Very pretty shade. Cute packaging. It says you may experience a slightly intense tingle that can last up to 5 to 10 minutes. Apply only in the perimeter of the lips. If applied on skin, a temporary redness may occur. If any discomfort is present, remove and discontinue use. I have used this a couple of times and it tingled just a tiny bit, but I do not have sensitive skin. I'm very tolerable to that type of thing, unless I'm eating some type of food that has hot peppers on it, and then it's a no-go. I cannot do that. Here's what it looks like, the doe foot. It really does not have a cherry smell to it, but I can smell kind of a menthol smell, which is not unpleasant by any means. It's already starting to feel just a little warm. It is not sticky at all. It's very comfortable. And the other couple of times that I wore it, it was very hydrating but almost nourishing to my lips. My lips felt really good afterwards, almost like conditioned. They were really, really soft. So I did enjoy the product. So we're going to give it a few minutes and see if it plumps up my lips. You can see that I have some lines in my lips because I am 57. So we'll give that just a few minutes and see what it does. iMethod was very generous in allowing me to do a giveaway for this video. We will give 3 people the opportunity to win one of these lip plumping glosses. And what you need to do is go down into the comments and insert your favorite emoji in the comments. And you also need to be subscribed to my channel and subscribe to the iMethod Beauty YouTube channel, and I will have their channel linked down below. I will run the giveaway for 1 week. I'm not exactly sure what day I'll be uploading this video, so I will put the date that the giveaway ends here, and then I will choose 3 people randomly, and I will contact you and let you know that you won, and you will just need to give me your contact information to give to iMethod, and they will send you out your prize. So how are we looking? It's tingling just a little bit. Now I have tried some plumping lip glosses and they set me on fire. So this is very comfortable. I feel like if you have sensitive skin that this might not be as intense as some of the other plumping lip glosses, but it's just barely tingling and it feels very cooling. Since I can smell menthol, I'm sure it's the menthol that is making my lips feel cool. It's really nice, actually. I do like it. I like the color. I'm not a big lip gloss person, but I feel like I could wear this without any issues. I don't normally like the way a lip gloss feels, and also because I have lines in my lips and it will feather. But I did not notice when I wore this before that it feathered at all, or noticeably so. So what do you think? Do they look plump? They do look a little bit plump to me. I don't think that this plumps the way some of those other really intense lip plumpers do. I think this is a nice, gentle, plumping lip gloss, which is perfect for me because I don't need, super incredibly full lips or to burn myself up either. So there we go. That is the iMethod Power On Plumping Lip Gloss. Don't forget to go down into the comments and insert your favorite emoji so that you can be entered in to win. There will be 3 winners. Thank you so much, iMethod, for once again gifting me another one of your products. I really have enjoyed trying all of the iMethod products. So far, I have had no issues. All of their products are really good and they're very affordable. I will have a link down in the description box along with the discount code if you want to go check out their Amazon store. All of these products are very affordable. Thank you so much for watching me plump up my lips. If you enjoyed, make sure you show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye. Christopher? Dexter was touching my leg. Christopher? Maybe you need some lip plumper for the fish. Maybe if you plumped up their lips, they'd be easier to catch. You go get you some lip plumper for the fish. Okay? Mama loves you, boo.